Hi students, let us go with our new video, new problem in application of derivatives. The subtopic of application of derivative is maxima and minima. From maxima and minima, it is one of the important problem. Let us go with our problem. If the curved surface of right circular cylinder inscribed in sphere of radius capital R is maximum, then show that the height of the cylinder is under root 2r. Okay, let us go with our solution. Okay, let us observe first of all the right circular cylinder inscribed in sphere like this. Okay, right circular cylinder. Okay, like this. Then we need what? The curved surface area. Curved surface area means the curved surface, like this. This is a curved surface, total, the curved surface. Okay. Now here, the center of sphere is a O. Then the height of the cylinder is nothing but h. Now the radius of this circle only, okay, is a r, and radius of sphere is capital R. Now suppose it is a OASA, now it is a B, then it is nothing but h by 2, half of h, yes or no? Okay, let's write. Let the height of, actually we need height, yes or no? The height of cylinder is what? H, let's say h, and the radius of now cylinder is small r. Okay, and the radius of sphere is capital R. Okay, it is a capital R. Actually we need what? The curved surface of right circular cylinder is a maximum. We have to show that is a maximum. Then we need the curved surface function, yes or no? Definitely we need the curved surface function. Then we will show that is a maximum. Okay, and the first, now observe here, now here OA equals to h by 2. From the diagram, okay, OA equals to h by 2, then AB equals to small r, then OB equals to capital R. Okay, from the right angle triangle, from the triangle OAB, then shall I write OA square plus AB square equals to OB square? Definitely. Hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Then OA square equals to h by 2 whole square plus it is a r square. Now OB square means OB is nothing but capital R square. Then now simplify, r square equals to r square minus capital R square minus h square by 4, yes or no? Okay, then r square equals to, let's simplify here, it is a 4r square minus h square by 4, yes or no? Then r equals to what? Under root, now it is a 1 by 2 under root 4r square minus h, 4r square minus h square. Now it is the r value. Okay, but actually we need curved surface area, okay. Okay, also rubbing the problem. Let the curved surface area equals what? Equals to 2 pi r h. Okay, now actually it is a 2 pi r, okay, h, 2 pi r into h, the curved surface area. Okay, let's take as a function f of h equals to 2 pi r h. Okay, the curved surface area in function h, yes or no, f of h. Then first of all we need h value. How to get h value? F dash of h equals 0, then we will get h value. Okay, after that f double dash of h, suppose taking f double dash of h, it is a less than 0, now it is a maximum, then f of h is a maximum. F double dash h less than greater than 0, then the curved surface area is a minimum, but actually we need maximum. Definitely we will get less than 0. How? Let's see. First of all we need h value, that's why, then simplify it. First of all 2 pi r h, leave that r, in the place of r equals to 1 by 2 under root 4r square minus h square. Yes or no? 2 get cancelled, pi h under root 4r square minus h square. Okay, now derivating f dash of h equals to what? Pi is a constant, leave that. Now uv method, u differentiation of v, okay, 1 by under root 2 under root 4r square minus h square. Now again it is a minus h square, now r as a constant, minus h square should be minus 2h. Okay, let plus under root 4r square minus h square. Okay, now h is a 1, yes or no? Okay, the function in h only, that's why derivating with h. Okay, let simplification, pi into, now 2 get cancelled, now here the LCM is a 4r square minus h square, then h into minus h square plus, now it is a under root 4r square minus h square into under root 4r square minus h square becomes as a 4r square minus h square. Okay, let, now it is a minus h square minus h square minus h square minus h square minus 2h square plus 4r square by under root 4r square minus h square. Okay, this is the f dash of h. Okay, let check again. Now it is a minus 2h, h into h minus h square, it is a 4r square minus h square minus h square minus 2h square. Okay, let, now let f dash of h equals to take equals to 0 for getting h value, yes or no? Pi into minus 2h square plus 4r square by 4r square minus h square equals to 0. Then minus 2h square plus 4r square, okay, equals to 0, because of the denominator becomes as a 0, pi also become, now here becomes as a denominator of 0, 0 by pi is a 0, then 4r square minus 2h square equals to 4r square minus 4r square minus 2 2s are, then h square equals to 2r square. Okay, then h equals what? Under root 2r. Okay, now this is the height of the cylinder. Okay, then we have to show that is a maximum at h equals to under root 2r, that is a maximum. Let us go with f dash h. Let again f dash h, we need f double dash of h, f double dash of h. Okay, let here also u by v method. Now pi is a constant, leave that. Under root 4r square minus h square v, differentiation of u is a minus 2h square plus 4r square. It is a constant. Now it is a minus 4h. Okay, minus. Now numerator is as it is, minus 2h square plus 4r square into, now differentiation of this one, 4r square minus 4h square, under root 1 by 2 under root 4r square minus h square. Now again the 4r square minus h square should be minus 2h. Yes, let 2 get cancelled here also, by v square, denominator square, 4r square minus h square. Okay, let's simplification. Pi, now here minus 4h under root 4r square minus h square. Yes, now remaining minus into minus plus h into, observe here, minus into minus into minus, leave that this minus into minus 2h cube and also minus 4hr square by under root 4r square minus h square. Okay, and also we have here 4r square minus h square. Okay, let pi, now more simplification. Here we have 4r square minus h square is a LCM, is a denominator. Now this one also denominator, so writing here. Okay, now this one into this one, minus 4h into, now 4r square minus h square, yes, minus 2h cube minus 4hr square. Okay, let some simplification. Minus 4h into 4r square minus 16hr square plus 4h cube minus 2h cube minus 4, minus into minus plus 4hr square by 4r square minus h square whole power what? It is a 1 by 2, yes or no? So 1 plus 1 by 2 is a 3 by 2. Okay. Actually we are checking that is a less than 0 or greater than 0. Okay. Then f double dash of h equals to, now let's some simplification, pi into 4h cube minus 2h cube is a 2h cube and remaining 16hr square 4r square minus 12hr square by 4r square minus h square whole power 3. Now we can substitute h equals to under root 2r. At h equals to under root 2r, then now that is a 2 into root 2r whole cube minus 12 h into h means root 2r r square by 4r square minus h square root 2r whole square 3 by 2. Then this one becomes as a, now 2 into root 2 whole cube is a 2 root 2 r cube, yes sir, minus it is a 12 root 2 r cube, yes, by 4r square minus this one root 2 r square, so 2 r square, yes sir, whole power 3 by 2. Okay, and simplification 5. Now it is nothing but 2 into 2, 4 root 2, simply 4 root 2 r cube minus 12 root 2 r cube, 4 root 2 and minus 12 root 2, minus 8 root 2 r cube by 4r square minus 2r square. 2r square. 2r square whole power 3 by 2. Then pi into, actually we got minus, okay, minus 8 root 2 r cube by, now 2 power 3 by 2, okay, 2 power 3 by 2, r square whole power 3 by 2. R square whole power 3 by 2 means 2 get cancelled, yes or no, okay. Then finally we got minus 8 pi root 2 r cube by, now 2 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 2, yes or no, 2 power 1, 2 power 1 by 2. Okay, then r cube get cancelled, root 2 get cancelled. Now it is a 4 minus 4 pi. So actually it is a minus, already we got minus here, then it is a less than 0. F double dash of h less than 0, then f of h is maximum at h equals to root 2 r. Therefore what? The curved surface area is maximum at what? Then the height of what? Cylinder. The height of cylinder is h equals to root 2 r. This is our solution. Okay, very important problem. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this one, please comment on comment box. Okay, thank you.